We'll guide you through how to draw on a Word document. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Microsoft Word, and so you want to go and draw. Perhaps you want to go and roughly sketch something out, or you want to go and do something else with it. It doesn't matter, we're guiding you through this step by step. So make sure it is full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss how this is done, as we're going to show you some different things that are going to be useful that you can go and do with this. So to get started, you want to come to the top ribbon in Word, find the option for Insert and click there. Now what you need to do is go and find the option for Shapes and click there. You want to come into Lines. Now come to the far right and you'll go and see a squiggly line. You want to go and click that, and that is the freeform scribble. So you can click on it, then you can click, hold and drag, and you can go and draw what you want to, as you can see. Then you can go and release, and there it is. Now you can come to the top and go and change the fill, the color. You can go and change the outline. If you hover over weighted, you can actually go make it thicker if you want. And you can also go and change the effects as well.